9:40 a.m. on this fine Sunday. I'm tired as shit, but I gotta get up because my boy Dean is about to scoop me in like 5 minutes to go to church. So Sundays are usually my time to just reset and get ready for the week. So usually I go to church, do some grocery shopping, meal prep, laundry, and then I'm pretty much chilling for the rest of the day. Maybe I'll do some work. It really all just depends on how I feel and if I'm tired or not. With that being said, let's get the day started. Let's go. Alright, we're about like 20 minutes late to church because of me. That's all good. Sometimes you don't have to hear all the singing. You could get straight to the point. Alright, Dean, what's like the big takeaway you got from church today?
Like names have like a really, really deep meaning. So you learn that from God because he has like freaking a billion names, but they're all super, super powerful.
Alright, Dean just dropped me off, so I do some grocery shopping, the meal prep a little bit. Trying to take my physique and my health in general more seriously to start out the new year. So let's get this grocery shopping started. I'm cold as shit. Some meal prep, laundry, and just overall cleaning. So let's get that shit started. And boom, check out that chicken, baby.
Kinda got him.
Thank you. Alright, I am so tired. About to go to bed early. I have this Ultra Human ring, which is kind of like the Aura ring, but more comfortable and lighter. But check out my sleep stat. Like, I am 7 hours and 54 minutes in sleep debt, which basically means like I missed out on 7 hours and 54 minutes of sleep that I should have done. So the past 1 to 2 weeks, my parents and my sister came down from Chicago to visit me for the holiday season. So like every day the past 2 weeks, like we would be watching movies and staying up late, which really fucked up my sleep schedule. And so yeah, as you can tell, my sleep is struggling. Trying to lock in for the new year. Gonna get my sleep schedule back on point. Gonna sleep mad early today because your boy needs some rest. But yeah, overall it was a pretty good day today. Didn't really do much work. Just hung out with my boy Dean, reset for the week, relaxed, rested. And now I feel very refreshed and ready to take on the week starting tomorrow. So yeah, sometimes you have to take one step back to take 2 steps forward. So I definitely do not work every day. And I definitely don't work on the weekends. When I get back to work on Monday, I feel like fucking Superman, like ready to take on anything that comes at me because I actually took the time to rest. So I like to look at things in the bigger picture. And so you can't just look at every day as grind super hard every hour of every minute of the day. Like to zoom out, like bigger picture, if you get more work done, rested on the weekdays, you actually do more work overall. That's my motto of things. And hey, you can do what you want, but that's just the way I live life in entrepreneurship. As always, official numbers for the day. I made $1,527. So not great, but considering I didn't do any work today, just chilling, I'll take it. But yeah, if you are wondering how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course on YouTube breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. And you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube, just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be saucy.